Francisca has lived in the United States for 9 years illegally. Her 2 children were born here, so they are U.S. citizens. Just last month, her husband was deported back to Guatemala, and she worries she is next.
I do not want to take my children from here because here is where their future is.
Pro-immigration groups have brought U.S.-born children, such as Brandy Hernandez, to protest in front of the White House.
I want to tell President Obama to stop taking people's parents away.
Brandy and Francisca are 2 of the estimated millions who would be affected by the president's upcoming executive order.
No more deportation! No more deportation!
He's expected to give temporary reprieve to undocumented immigrants who have lived here longer than 5 years and who have children born in the U.S. The president says he is acting because Congress has not. But Republicans say an executive order of this magnitude threatens the constitutional separation of powers, under which Congress passes laws and the president executes those laws. Senator Jeff Sessions.
The president's not entitled to make law, to conduct actions contrary to plain law. The president simply cannot say, well, Congress didn't act, so I have to act.
White House spokesman Josh Earnest says the president's team is reviewing the constitutional guidelines, but he is leaving the door open for Congress to step in.
The president has indicated that he would happily throw away any executive actions that he did enact in favor of bipartisan legislation.
Jack Martin is with the Federation for American Immigration Reform. He says it's a complicated political issue for both sides.
It falls right at the intersection of the efforts of the Democrats to solidify their support from the Latino community that is the most interested in the immigration issue, and the problem for the Republicans of balancing grassroots interests and business interests as well as interest in attracting the Latino vote.
Analysts say this is a broad interpretation of the office by President Obama, one that could serve as a model for executive orders by future presidents. At the White House, Carolyn Presutti, VOA News.